Good afternoon, ma'am.
Very good afternoon and welcome to the class. How come? I think they're mostly joining in just now. Are we all ready with our books? So, should we carry on with The Tempest in this period? What do you want? And Reverie will do in the evening? Are we all comfortable with that? Good afternoon. Shall we carry on with our yes or no? I'm waiting for your answer.
Yes, ma'am.
I think let's take on with Tempest just now, and evening I think we'll take up the poem. Will that be all right? Good. All right. So then I think, yes, who's taking us and who's helping us to read today? Yeah. So I think we can all begin. I think we were to begin with Miranda's speech today. We almost started it yesterday. Yeah. So I think we did the 2 lines, and that's where we understood that we are on an island and we are in front of Prospero's cell. This is what I had shared with you yesterday. Can we have that map again and try and see what is that island and where is that island? I think we can refresh ourselves, because let me tell you, the most of the play now would be on that island. So if I don't know if we have who can take us. I don't know. Do we have Shansa with us? Normally she's the one, or even Khushi Shankar does that. I don't know if she's here as of now, or anyone else, if there's somebody, So let's see if we can, on that map, go to that island. And on that island, we are in front of that cell of Prospero. And who is Prospero? You had told me yesterday. Please remind me, who is Prospero? Quickly. Who is Prospero?
The rightful Duke of Milan.
The rightful Duke of Milan. Very well, Srishti. Very well said. Yes, the rightful Duke of Milan. And who's Miranda? Now that we are already revising, so might as well quickly revise this. Who is Miranda?
Prospero's daughter.
Prospero's daughter. And these two people, now he is the rightful Duke of Milan. He belongs to Milan. It says rightful Duke. He should have been in Milan. He should have been in Milan, but he is on this island. Are you taking us to that island? Any one of you, quick? If you are, then you can just raise your blue hand, and I kind of will wait. If not, then we'll move on in case somebody is trying that. All right, Sistri is doing that effort. So we'll just once again see that he is supposed to be the rightful Duke of Milan, but he is not in Milan and he is on the island, right? So that means he has been.
Ma'am, please enable.
Done, Srishti. Yeah, so let's go and see Milan, and then we'll see the island also along with that. Rome. We are going to Italy. We are going to Italy. Okay, Rome would do, or Italy. You forgot. Yeah, doesn't matter. Good revision. That means then we really needed this. Yeah. Maybe we can come to this left wala, physical. Maybe that physical map will do. Yeah, let me see if I can make it. Ratio can be bigger. Yes. So here we are, and I think you can all see this. Let me make it 150, and I think it's more visible. Yes, we are. Where's Milan? Look for Milan. This is Milan. I hope you can all see Mrs. Milan. Beta, dur kar do thoda. zoom out so that we can then we can have a good look. So we are in Italy, mind you. In this whole play, we are in Italy. I'm reminding you, and this gentleman called Prospero is supposed to be the Duke of Milan, rightful Duke. That means he has every right to be the Duke of Milan. He is the rightful Duke. It is his privilege that he should have been the Duke, but he has been usurped. He has been pushed out of Milan. And where is he these days? Let's see that island. Yeah, let's see that island. Yeah, zoom out again, and I know, go far off, go far off. No, don't come near. Zoom out, zoom out more. Yeah, all right. So yeah, that's better. Now he must be here. Can you see these small spots? We will see it just now. She will zoom in, but later. Now, can you see these small spots? Now here, this on any one of these islands is Prospero, who is supposed to be in Milan. He was supposed to be in Milan. He's supposed to be the Duke of Milan, but he's not there because he's been reserved. He's been thrown out from there. And he and his daughter are on one of these islands. Can we now have a little zoom in here of those small dots and island? Yeah, come closer. Yes, I think. See, can you see these small? No. Too near. Little far. Still far. Still far. Up, up. Yes. No, come near. अब बहुत दूर चले गए हम लोग. I know it's very difficult to do, but you're doing a good thing. Yes, I think we can stop there. You can see any one of these spots. This is an island. I'm not talking of this big island. No, not at all. I'm talking of this small island here. If you can zoom in a little more, then I think everybody can see it more clearly. हाँ, बस यहीं रोक लो. ये जो है, ये आइलैंड पर है वो यहाँ पर, और अभी अभी यहीं पर ही जो है वो इस आइलैंड के पास में ही the ship has actually got has sunk. The ship has just sunk somewhere near this island, and Prospero and Miranda are on that island, and now we all are also on that island. I hope you remember that we are on an island near Italy. All right, so we are in which country? The country is Italy, and this is one of the islands near Italy. Milan is here, and the Duke Prospero should have been in Milan, but he is not in Milan. Thank you so much, Srishti. I hope everybody has understood this particular aspect, and thank you so much for finding out things for us. So this is where
Welcome, ma'am.
that was such a pleasure. Thank you. Let's have a storm once again, because I think we have forgotten the storm. Let's see if we can get some storm. Remember that storm on the ship, if we can get it meantime. Just see, because storm in a sea, yeah. Yeah, we'll probably have to have a video for this.
Ma'am, should I play a video?
Let's see the image first, then we'll see if this image will help us to remember it. It'll be good enough.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, this is perfect. I think this is perfect. This will really help. Is this a video or just an image? An image. Perfect. This is like just suits what we are doing, and I'm going to expand it. And let me see if I can make it zoom to a 300%. Does it? I hope it's visible to everyone. So this is the kind of storm. You can see the lightning. You can see all lightning all over and everything. It's a dark, completely dark all over. And the ship is being, tossed and turned. This scene is like before the ship sinks. This is just before that. Now, this is the scene which Miranda can watch. This is the scene which Miranda is watching, and that is the time when she is talking to the father. We'll let the scene stay there, and let's see what Miranda is saying. What is Miranda saying? One of you read. Yeah. No, let it stay. I want it to stay. Let the picture stay. Yeah, I want the picture to stay. Okay, if anybody is reading it good enough. No, no one reading? All
May I
right,
read, ma'am?
please, please. Sure, Srishti.
Miranda, if by your art, my dearest father, you have put the wild waters in this roar, allay them.
LA
The
then. We'll,
sky,
we'll,
it
we'll
seems,
stop there. We'll stop there. We'll have to go by a full stop, little by little. Now, she is able to see this dark, all this darkness. You know, she can see lightning. She can see dark clouds. She can you see these roaring waves, you know, white ones? So she says, my father, I am quite sure that all this you have done. It is you who has brought this storm in the sea. It is you who has brought lightning in the sky. It is you who has brought these black clouds in the sky. She says, if by your art, Father, she says, my dearest Father, I think you are using your art, your magical powers to bring this roar into the sea, to create this storm in the sea. And I am sure it is you who has done this, because I don't think so this is natural. I think this storm in the sea has been caused by you, by using your magical powers. Then I request you, Father, allay them. Please stop it. Please stop this storm, because I know this storm is not natural. This storm is not happening because it's natural, but I am very sure the storm that I can see in the sea. Now she is on the island, and from the island she can see a storm in the sea, and she says, I know this storm has been caused by you, my father, and you have used your magical powers to bring this storm in the sea. And the request is, allay them. Please stop the storm. Please stop the storm. Remove it. Stop it. Please don't use your magical powers. And she says, stop the storm in the sea. Let the picture stay. We carry on.
the sky, it seems, would pour down stinking pitch,
She
but
says,
that
look
the
at the
sea
sky. She
mounting,
says, just a second. I said a line at a time. She says, look at the sky. Look at this black sky. It seems that it looks like tar. ऐसा लग रहा है क्या कहलाता है हिंदी में तारकोल. You know what is charcoal? You know what is that? You know that
ma'am.
black
Yes, ma'am.
liquidy thing, you know? So she says, look at this coal tar. ये clouds है या coal tar है? ऐसा लग रहा है इसमें से charcoal टपक रहा है. It seems it's not water drops, but it seems they are so black. The water drops are so black, the raindrops are so black that she says it seems it's like the sky, it seems, is pouring down stinking pitch. It seems that from the black sky, stinking pitch is coal tar is dropping down, and I know you're doing this by your magical powers. Please stop it. Please stop it, my father. Please don't do it. Yeah, move on.
But that the sea mounting to the Wilkins cheek.
Yeah, dashes the fire out. And she says, look at the waves. Look at these white waves. Look at these white waves. They are trying to reach the sky. They are rising so high. They are trying to reach the sky. Welcome, sky. It seems that the waves are rising so high that they want to touch the cheek of the sky. So, what she's trying to say, from the clouds, pitch is dropping. The waves are trying to go high and touch the sky. This is so stormy. This is a terrible tempest which is there in the sea. And she tells us that she knows it has been done by the Father. Are you getting this? Are you clear on this till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's see.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's see what else Miranda has to say.
Oh, I have suffered with those that I saw suffer.
Oh my
A brave
God, a
vessel,
beautiful line, a beautiful line. When you read the line, feel it inside you. Feel it. Read with feelings. Read with understanding. Don't wait for me to tell you the meaning. No, I'm not going to tell you the meaning. You have to read and find out the meaning. What is this line all about? What is she saying in this line? Please tell me. Any one of you. What do you think of Miranda from this line? What is she saying? What is she saying? You have to understand and then tell me, what do you think of Miranda from this particular line that she speaks now? Oh,
Ma'am,
I have suffered. I have suffered with those that I see suffering on the ship. Yes, Neat, please do. Anyone who was trying to speak. Sorry, I interrupted in between. What do you think of Miranda from this line? How is she feeling at this time? Is she happy, joyful, or
She's
what?
sad.
She's sad.
She's sad.
Why do you think is she sad? Why do you think she's sad? Because she's not on the ship.
Because she's living in an island.
She's sad because she's living on an island. I'm asking you to tell me from this particular line that she has spoken just now. Oh, I have suffered with those that I saw suffer.
Ma'am, she is sad because she has suffered
She has
this.
suffered what? She has suffered what? Yes, you're right, Kushi. Move on. What is she suffering from at this moment?
Ma'am, storm.
Stormy weather.
Ma'am, stormy
The
thunders.
interesting part is that where she is standing, there is no storm. Where she is standing, there is no storm. The storm is only and only in the area where the ship is. That's why she knows that the storm is not natural. That's how she knows that the storm has been caused by my father's magic. Because she can make out. She can make out that here I don't see any clouds. There is no rain here. But there is rain and tempest there around the ship. And therefore she says, ah, I know, Father, this storm you have caused because it is only in a particular area. Are you with me here? Are you getting a little clearer in what I'm trying to tell you?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm taking you
Yes,
slow.
ma'am.
I'm taking you a little slow so that you get the picture very correctly and like it's clear for you what's happening. Is this clear? She's on the island. That's why I took you to that picture. We are on the island with her now. We were on the ship. In that scene, we were on this ship, right? From there, we didn't know anything. All we knew was a storm. All we knew there was a tempest, isn't it? And all that panic and all that, all that talk going on and all that. Now, Shakespeare has brought us on the island. Now we don't know what's happening on the ship. Last, when we were on the ship sank. We have no idea what has happened. Do you have an idea what's happened to all of them? Any recent news? Has any news come in from the ship? Latest news?
No,
What was
ma'am.
the last news?
No, ma'am.
What was the last news? That the ship sank. And we were on it at that time, but we didn't sink because we are very different. We are readers, so we don't sink, isn't it? So we just were there till that ship sank, and Gonzalo said that I would want barren land, and you remember all that. And after that, do you have any idea what's happened to all the people? Are they alive or dead? Do you have any idea?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Has any phone call come? Has any phone call come or any news update? Reporting live from the ship. कहीं से कुछ खबर आई है? आपके पास आई हो
No,
शायद?
ma'am.
हमारे
No,
पास
ma'am.
नहीं, है ना? None of us know वहाँ क्या हुआ. Let it be. अब हमें वहाँ का पता ही नहीं वहाँ क्या हुआ. शेक्सपियर जब बताएंगे तब का तब we'll see what will happen. Right now we are on the island. All right. I hope this part is becoming quite clear and you will not have a confusion. And now we are with Prospero and Miranda. And now we are with Miranda, you can imagine that. And we can see that storm. We can see the storm in front of us. And where we are standing, there is no storm. The sky is absolutely clear. And in front of her, that's why I put that picture on the screen so that you can keep remembering, where we are sitting in our rooms, there is no storm, but in front there is sea, and we can all see a storm in the sea. Can you all see it in front of you? Like Miranda can.
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it? And won't you be
Yes.
surprised that अरे वहां तो storm आ रहा है और जहाँ हम खड़े हैं, little away from the sea, and here where I'm standing there is no storm. And that's why I repeat again to make it clear to all of you. No wonder she says to the father that, Father, I know you have brought this storm on the sea by your magic. Very clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt, ask me again. I'll explain again. No problem, because this has to be understood very clearly. Then only, all the situations after this will be clear to you. Are we all clear of where we are, what is happening?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear.
Yes,
Good. है ना? And we are standing in front of a cave. आज हमें cave भी देखना है अभी थोड़ी देर बाद में देखते हैं, है ना? Prashansa has joined us, and I think Khushi and Prashansa really help us a lot with all the direct pics. So that's what it is.
Sure.
So yeah, and she says, I can see this black pitch falling. I can see the waves rising high to meet the sky. है ना? ऐसा लगता है that the waves are trying to. Can you see lightning in this picture? This is a lovely picture, ideal picture for our understanding. Can you see that lightning? All that
Yes,
folk
ma'am.
lightning.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
she
ma'am.
she is saying it seems that the waves are rising high, trying to dash the fire out. It seems पानी जो है पहुंचना मांगता है to the sky so that the lightning can be extinguished. Fire can be extinguished. That's what it seems is happening in front of us. That's what she says. And then she says, oh my father, I am suffering. I am suffering, my father. I know the people on this ship must be suffering. They must be crying. They must be shouting. They'll die. My father, I suffer to think about the people on this ship. Father, why are you doing this? Think of those people on the ship. Think of does she know anyone on the ship?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
She doesn't know. She doesn't know anyone. But look at her intelligence, that when she says it's a ship, there must be people in it. Common sense?
Yes, ma'am.
And she says, Father, I am suffering. Father, I'm suffering, I am okay. I am all right. There's nothing happening to me. I am perfectly safe. There is no water falling on me. There is nothing happening to me here. But I am suffering just to think. Look at that ship. Look at the people. I am thinking, I can imagine how the people inside that ship must be, going through that roller coaster ride, falling onto one side, falling onto the other side. They must be crying and shouting. Father, I am suffering. I'm suffering. Read the line again. I have suffered. I am suffering. With whom? Whose suffering is it that I can feel?
And those people on the ship.
With those that I saw suffer. I can see. She can't see people. Like I said, she can see a ship tossing and turning in the waves, and she knows that people inside must be suffering. I repeat it, suffering. I repeat my question which I asked. What do you think of Miranda from this line? We are on to character.
Very kind-hearted. Thinks about people's feelings, how they are suffering.
Caring nature.
Lovely,
Yes.
lovely. Have you started Miranda's character in your register page? Have you understood what I mean? We have given a page to Gonzalo. We have given a page to Antonio, and we collected their characters. Do you want to wait for the whole scene to finish and then write characters at one day?
Hmm.
You want to do that? Up to you. Or you want to keep writing the character as and when we'll keep taking them? What will be easier?
Writing them daily.
Writing them daily. Indeed. And because, shall I tell you a very practical reason? Scene 1 was very small, 2 pages. You could handle it later. The scene we have entered now is a very long one. Can you tell me how many pages, any one of you? Counting? Anyone? How many? Roughly?
Around 48.
48 pages. Approximately. It may be less or more. Now you want to wait for 48 pages and then go back and then
24
collect.
pages.
Okay, 24 pages. Do you want to wait for 24 pages and then go later start collecting all the characters of all the people we will meet in this scene? Or do you want to keep taking them as and when they come? What will be easier for you? See, it's up to you.
Ma'am, as and when.
As and when, right? Because character question definitely will be there. That let us know what you feel about the characters in this. Just a second, there's a phone call coming of my mom and she's 83 years. So I'll just take the call and know everything is okay or not. Hello. Hi, mom, I'm teaching just now. All fine? Acha, okay. She heard that I was teaching, so she called up. Thank you for allowing me to do that. Yes, so in your registers, what was the last character you took up? I don't know, Alonso, Antonio, whatever it was. Have you left Antonio, you've left 7-8 pages for Antonio?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
then on the next page, please write down Miranda. Now, Miranda was not there in scene 1, isn't it? So you write down Miranda and write down Act 1, Scene 2. Her character begins from Act 1, Scene 2. By the way, are you people drinking water in between? It's important to keep drinking water.
Yes, ma'am.
I am
Yes,
having.
ma'am.
I'm having a little water so that my throat remains parched. It remains. Sorry, it remains. Doesn't go parched. It doesn't dry up. You can also keep water nearby, or you can just quickly go and get up and keep a little bottle or water. Okay, so what is the first thing we are understanding here about Miranda? Yeah, and in your register, I hope you put Act 1, Scene 2. And now we collect the very first point about Miranda. What is that? You people just told me about her character. And what was that?
Caring nature, kind-hearted.
She seems to be kind-hearted. And what makes you feel that she's kind-hearted? You should be able to put down
He's
that line.
concerned.
You can put down, I'll give you an example how you can do. You can write down line 5. You can write down, margin में लिख लीजिए line 5. In the margin, write down line 5. Don't write down the line. You know what the line is in the book. Write down line 5 in the margin. And then in the main page, you can write down kind-hearted. That is from line 5, we came to know she is kind-hearted. So when you'll have to give a proof that how do you know she's kind-hearted, you will also have the line number. I hope it's not confusing and you're able to understand this.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody, I think we can remove the picture as of now. And I think we have, all of you have got this picture in your mind now. Thank you so much for thank you so much for keeping it up for all of us. I think that picture you have to keep it in your mind. Then it makes it a little easier. you know, for everything to be understood. That's why I just let it stay. It was making it easier for me to explain to you. And I think you could also get that feel that you are Miranda and what is it that you can see in front of you. Have you write down the any other character of Miranda that you can pick up from these 5 lines that we have done so far? One, you said she seems to be kind-hearted. दैट दूसरों को देखकर ही उसको इतना दर्द हो रहा है ना. शी सेड मेरे को बहुत सफरिंग हो रहा है. आई एम सफरिंग, आई फील बैड बिकॉज आई कैन सी पीपल, आई कांट सी but I can imagine people suffering on that ship in that tempest, isn't it? Okay. Any other quality about Miranda from here in these 5 lines? Anything else that you want to pick up? Anything else? Yesterday, I did touch upon a little quality in the very first 2 lines. What do you think is a relationship with the father?
She knows her father very well.
Ah, true, true. You got it now. You know, she knows the father quite well. That's why she can say, I know it's you, father. So she knows the father quite well, that what the father, does, or, what are his powers and what all is he able to do. So I think, as a daughter, it's like at house, we know, ये काम तो मम्मी ने करा होगा, या ये काम भाई ने करा होगा, या ये वाला काम पापा ने करा होगा, something like that. So you think you're able to identify who could be the person who's done the thing in home, at your own home?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And I'm very sure, at least with your siblings, you're able to, ये तो भाई ने करा होगा, ये उसने करा होगा, ये काम तो वही कर रहे हैं, है ना? So it's like knowing a person quite well. So yes, you can put down that also about her, that she seems to know the father quite well. And very first line, and she's so confident. She says, I know, father, this is your doing. ये जरूर आपने करा है, मेरे को पता है. She says something like that. All right, let's move on and see which other quality we can find out about Miranda, and what else is she telling us.
A brave vessel who had no doubt but some noble creature in her.
She says
dashed
a
all
brave
to pieces.
vessel. She says a brave vessel. She says, Father, I can look at that ship. Vessel is the ship. She says, Father, I can look at that ship and I know it's a brave vessel. It's a very beautiful, big ship. It's a brave. Brave here means magnificent, huge, big, Titanic, that nice. She says, I can see that vessel, I can see that ship is a brave one. It's magnificent, it's lovely, it's wonderful, it's huge. And because the ship is magnificent, I know people inside it also must be magnificent. If the ship is so wonderful, definitely people inside it also must be very noble. भाई टूटा फूटा शिप होता. अच्छा ये बताइए, अगर टूटा फूटा शिप है, what do you think who would be in the ship then? What do you think? If
Pirates.
Yeah. Pirates. With that, with that green thing here, pirates.
Right.
Yeah. And then probably, you would think it's pirates, and you would say, टूटा फूटा ship है, pirates होंगे. Now look at her. She says, by the appearance of the ship, I can make out that the people inside it are noble. There are some royal people in the ship. Is she right or wrong?
She's right.
She's right.
My goodness me. She's some antaryami. She kind of zoomed in or what. And my goodness me, we were all on the ship, and it took us time to understand whom we have on the ship. Are they royal people? Are they not? And she says, by the way, by the way, है ना, लिफाफा देखकर समझ लेते हैं लिफाफे के अंदर क्या है ना? It's like from the outer appearance you can make out what is inside a person. You can make out from the appearance what the person is inside as character. So I think she has a wonderful quality. You can put it down again as line number and put down. See, I'll not wait. Now I won't spoon feed you. Now you know how to collect the character. So each time you feel, अरे एक और character पता लगा मिरांडा के बारे में. Please put down which line. Okay, line number 7, and write down which quality you are coming to know. All right. So I won't be actually telling you. I won't stop and say फिर से लिखो, फिर लिखो. It'll be. Are you getting what I'm trying to say?
Yes, ma'am.
Somewhere,
Yes,
now,
ma'am.
somewhere now you will have to get doing this yourself, and somewhere where you're not clear कि नहीं ma'am अभी quality clear नहीं हुई है, please explain again, then you can ask me. Otherwise I'll think you have understood and the quality is clear. Very important are two things that you have to do. Understanding the meaning of the line is okay. Meaning समझ में आ गया, line का ठीक है, वो course में नहीं है. Nobody is going to really ask you what is the meaning of the line, right? But definitely what is in the course is, can anybody tell me what?
Character sketches.
Yes, characters. That what can you make out about, there's another phone call, but I think I'm not receiving it at the moment. It doesn't have a name, so I won't. So yes, what can you make out about this person's character from the given speech? Now, this is definitely a question which is going to be a part of your happily reboard board or even your assignment. So that is where your whole concentration should be. Meaning is the lightest thing. Maybe in class 10, the meanings were very important. Here also they are. But more important than that is understanding the character, because you have long answers and you need a lot of points to write about a person's character. I hope it's clear. So she says, I know there is some noble creature in her. Who is her? Let me also keep taking the meaning at the same time. Who
The
is her?
ship.
Ship.
The brave vessel,
Ship.
isn't it? Yeah. Let's continue to use the word of the book. What is written in the book? Ship or brave vessel?
The brave vessel.
So
Brave vessel.
we'll keep using the word from the book and they'll become very simple for us. So she says the people in the brave vessel are noble, and I can make out because the ship looks very noble. And look at it, it's been dashed to pieces. Update aaya, अरे अभी new news मिली है. What is the latest news about the ship? Miranda is telling us what is the new news.
That it is
Dashed
scattered
Dashed to pieces. टूट गया ship पूरा. अपन जब तक थे last when we were on the ship, तब तक टूटने का खबर नहीं आया था, ये था sink हो रहा है. अभी पता लगा Miranda saw that the ship has been broken into pieces. My goodness. And she says, I'm suffering. Oh my God, look at that. People are dying there. Father, what are you doing? Please don't do this. Allied, please stop it. Please stop this storm. Yeah, go on.
Oh, the cry did knock against my very heart.
Oh,
Poor
the
souls,
cry.
they
Which
perished.
cry? Which cry? Which cry? I said, we'll read
I
this.
of the
feel it.
people.
Is it that their cries are knocking against my heart? I can hear them crying. I can hear them shouting. They're shouting, help, help. And that cry is knocking in my heart. It's making me cry. Father, please stop it. Please stop it. It's making me cry. I can hear the shouts. Naturally, जब ship टूट रहा होगा, already you remember, we did hear them crying, है ना? We did hear them shout,
Mariners were shouting and crying.
Mariners, even Gonzalo told us, we split, farewell my wife, so
Mercy
they're
on
shout-
us.
mercy on us. So that all shout is there, and she says, I can hear those cries. Maybe she can't hear the words clearly,